In our previous video, you learned about the different types of credit cards. In this one, we'll guide you on how you can choose the right credit card for you based on your lifestyle. So, let's embark on the quest to find the perfect card for you. First off, let's discuss your spending habits. आपके most common expenses को ध्यान में रखें. For example, shopping, fuel purchases, grocery shopping, movie ticket bookings, etc. Next up, let's talk about the type of credit card. There's a wide variety of credit cards out there, such as fuel credit cards, cashback credit cards, shopping credit cards, and so on. Based on the area that you spend the most in, you can pick a card that will be the most beneficial for you. For example, if you tend to eat out a lot, you can get a credit card that offers exclusive privileges on dining. अब बात करते हैं फीस एंड चार्जेस के बारे में. हर एक क्रेडिट कार्ड की अलग एनुअल फीस और चार्जेस होते हैं. कुछ क्रेडिट कार्ड्स में माइलस्टोन अचीव करने पर एनुअल फी वेव की जाती है. माइलस्टोन का मतलब होता है एक साल में एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट तक स्पेंड करना. कुछ और क्रेडिट कार्ड्स में एनुअल फी नहीं होती है. इन्हें लाइफ टाइम फ्री क्रेडिट कार्ड्स कहते हैं. आपके बजट में जो कार्ड फिट हो उसके हिसाब से आप अपने लिए कार्ड चुन सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, लुक आउट फॉर प्री अप्रूव्ड क्रेडिट कार्ड ऑफर्स फ्रॉम योर बैंक. If you already have an FD, savings account, etc. with the bank, chances are they might offer you a credit card too. In such a case, applying for the card would also involve minimal documentation. However, check if the privileges offered are of any benefit to you. Make sure that the card that's pre-approved for you meets your needs. For instance, if your bank offers you a travel credit card, but you do not travel often, then such a credit card would not be of much use to you. So, think twice before you apply. और अब कार्ड्स को कंपेयर करें. इतने सारे कार्ड्स में से एक को चुनना काफ़ी कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है. इसीलिए ऐसी कई सारी ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट्स हैं जैसे बजाज मार्केट्स, जहां पर आप कार्ड्स को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं और अपने लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से सबसे सूटेबल कार्ड ले सकते हैं. एंड लास्टली, चेक इफ यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द चोजन कार्ड. Applying for a credit card generally has a basic eligibility criterion which can differ from one card to another or even from one bank to another. Based on your age, your credit score, your source of income, and sometimes a minimum income limit, you will be able to know which credit card you can get. The key to finding the right card is to take a moment and think about your spending habits, interests, and goals. Your lifestyle serves as a North Star in guiding you to choose the card that suits you best. Now, you can choose the best credit card for yourself easily. By the way, did you know that the Diners Club credit card was the first credit card to be introduced in India? It came out in 1961, which was the year after it was made globally available. Stay tuned for more such helpful tips. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.